Swara? Swara? Yes, mother in law. You're done with the kitchen work? Yes, it's done. Okay, so you go and get ready quickly. Your sister wants to go to market with you. She told me she will go with Swara only. She wants to bring some stuff. Go. I'm sorry, mother in law, but I won't go market with sister. I really don't want to go to market with her. Daughter in law, why are you saying this? Pooja comes here for 4 days only, and you're troubled in that also. I think you don't like when she comes here. No, mother in law, there is nothing like that. I don't have any problem when sister in law comes here. It's her maternal home. Whenever she wants, she can come here. I have problem of going shopping with her. After coming from there, what I have to tolerate, I only know that. Really? Then tell me what you have to tolerate. See, mother in law, you don't get me wrong. But when sister-in-law and kids come na, household work is lot of increased. And I don't have any problem of doing household work. In fact, I love working. I have problem of going market with them. And then she can't stay on one shop. For a little thing, she goes on 10 shops. Then after coming back from market, she sits with you by saying that she's so much tired. But I have to go inside the kitchen and prepare all the things. I have to prepare food for kids. It's the time when Sagar comes. I manage all those things. Then you and sister-in-law don't think about me. No one thinks that Swara also must be tired. Let's go inside the kitchen and help her. So, that's why mother-in-law, I won't be able to go to market with sister-in-law. You go, and also you will have some walk as well. Yes, daughter, you are absolutely right. Pooja has this habit. Even after roaming 10 shops, she barely selects anything. When I was newly married, na, and my both sister-in-laws used to come with their kids, I also used to get so much frustrated. Whole day I was engaged in household work. I used to get so much tired after working. Then when they used to go na, only then I had peace. And that time my mother-in-law, my sister-in-law, no one used to help me in the work. But I don't know why we women, after becoming mother-in-law, we forget our sorrows. In fact, we start troubling our daughter-in-laws. Daughter, for now na, you go with Pooja to market. Otherwise she will feel bad. And about the household work, you don't worry. I will manage that. Thank you so much, mother-in-law. And maybe I said so many things na, so I'm sorry. Hey daughter, no need to say sorry at all. If we don't tell what is in our heart timely na, so it changes into aggression and it creates big issue afterwards. No need to worry about it. When you will come back to home na, till that all the household will be done. You go with her. Thank you so much, mother-in-law. And yes, from now na, I will help you daily with household work. Hey, after your marriage, I have left all the work. That's why these days my body is paining and I'm not able to digest food properly. From now I will do all the work. They say na, be healthy, be fit. This is very good thing, mother-in-law. Now you will help me inside the kitchen. We will do work very fast and we will also have some mother-in-law, daughter-in-law gossips. Yes. Okay, I will go and get ready. Okay.